Hi, I'm Cynthia Thurlow. I'm a nurse practitioner and intermittent fasting expert, and I'm so excited to be presenting at A4M in April of 2022. My focus is going to be on intermittent fasting and the net impact of food choices and fasting on the gut microbiome and immune function. We will deep dive into the latest research as it pertains to fasting and the net impact on the gut microbiome. I'll talk about key changes to the standard or conventional American diet over the past 50 years and the influence on health and longevity. Additionally, I will talk about how to accommodate meal frequency patterns to maximize key aspects of digestive rest, optimizing nutrition, digestion, and neurotransmitter production.